What are the reporting requirements for a C-Corp? Attention business owners and aspiring entrepreneurs. If you are running a C-Corporation or thinking about starting one, understanding your reporting obligations is essential. This topic is trending as many are looking for clarity on what needs to be reported to both federal and state agencies. Let's break it down. C-Corporations are distinct legal entities, which means they have specific reporting requirements. First up, at the federal level, every C-Corporation must file an annual federal income tax return using Form 1120. This requirement stands even if the corporation has no income or does not owe any tax. The form details the corporation's income, deductions, gains, and losses. The Internal Revenue Service uses this information to assess the corporation's tax liability. For most corporations, the due date for this form is the 15th day of the fourth month following the end of the fiscal year. For those operating on a calendar year, this typically falls on April 15th. Additionally, if shareholders receive dividends, they must report these on their personal tax returns. The corporation is responsible for providing shareholders with Form 1999 dividends. Now, let's talk about state reporting. Most states requiring C-Corporations to file an annual report and pay a fee. The specific requirements can differ from state to state. Some states may only ask for basic information, such as the names of directors and officers, while others may request more detailed financial information. It is important to keep up with these filings to avoid penalties or losing good standing. For publicly traded C-Corporations, there are additional requirements set by the Securities and Exchange Commission. These corporations must file annual reports using Form 10-K, quarterly reports using Form 10-Q, and current reports using Form 8-K for any major events. The Securities and Exchange Commission also requires disclosure of executive compensation and related party transactions. C-Corporations with employees have to report wages, tips, and other forms of compensation. They must file Forms 941 quarterly, Form 940 annually for federal unemployment tax, and W-2 forms for each employee. Payments made to independent contractors over $600 must be reported on Form 1999 non-employee compensation. Depending on the business, there may be additional forms to file. For instance, if the corporation owns foreign assets, it may need to file Form 5471. There may also be requirements for excise taxes, environmental reports, and industry-specific filings. It is crucial for C-Corporations to maintain detailed records of financial transactions, board meetings, shareholder meetings, and significant decisions. Keeping good records helps with tax filings and legal compliance. Failure to meet these reporting requirements can lead to fines, interest charges, and potential loss of corporate status. Late filings with the Internal Revenue Service or state agencies can also result in increased scrutiny. C-Corporations face a range of reporting duties, and staying organized is key. Meeting deadlines helps avoid problems and keeps the business in good standing. If you have questions, consulting a business attorney or accountant is a practical step to ensure compliance.